Hello, dear students. Welcome back to a news channel. Today we have ISRO finalizes design of humanoid skull crucial to Gaganyaan mission next year. Students, our space agency, Indian Space Research Organization, has developed a humanoid skull model as part of its preparation for what? For the Gaganyaan mission. And we all are aware of the fact that Gaganyaan mission is India's first crewed space mission, right? So, Gaganyaan mission is a quite significant project by the ISRO, and its objective is to send Indian astronauts into space. So this mission is expected to be India's first crewed space flight, meaning that astronauts will be there, and it will be a major milestone in the country's space exploration efforts. ओके, तो इंडिया का ये जो मिशन है, क्या एम है कि इंडियन एस्ट्रोनॉट्स को स्पेस में भेजना है. So basically the primary goal of this mission is to demonstrate India's capability to send humans into space and bring them back safely. So it aims to establish India as one of the few countries with the ability to conduct human space flights, है ना. तो मिशन में कौन होंगे? 4 एस्ट्रोनॉट्स होंगे जो कुछ डेज स्पेस में स्पेंड करेंगे, और इसी रीजन की वजह से एस्ट्रोनॉट्स आर अंडरगोइंग रिगरस ट्रेनिंग बोथ इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. So spacecraft for Gaganyaan mission is being also developed by none other than ISRO, and it is designed to carry the crew into space, orbit the Earth, and return safely to the ground. So to ensure the safety of the astronauts, ISRO is conducting several tests, including using a humanoid robot named Vyomitra. Okay, so what is Vyomitra? It's a humanoid robot created by ISRO specifically for the Gaganyaan mission. And as per this article, Gaganyaan mission is scheduled in the year 2025. So before that, we are ISRO is basically conducting and building many things for the safe return of astronaut from space. So the Vyomitra, when we talk about Vyomitra, it combines two words. Vyom means space in Sanskrit and Mitra means friend. So basically, Vyomitra is a space friend. So why ISRO developed Vyomitra? Before sending real astronauts, ISRO wants to test how the spacecraft will behave in space. And Vyomitra can mimic human actions. It can actually mimic human actions. So ISRO, by sending it first, ISRO can learn how the spacecraft will protect a human in space, है ना. तो ये basically human like functions. It can carry out human like functions. So ISRO wanted to check if the spacecraft is safe enough to send humans into space. And Vyomitra, at the same time, Vyomitra is here it is mentioned, this half humanoid stimulates the anthropomorphic human-like features of the upper torso, and it is equipped with sensors to monitor the spacecraft's environment. What kind of environment? Like it can check temperature, pressure, and vibration levels. So this will help scientists ensure that the spacecraft is safe for humans. And when you read this article, you'll get to know that Vyomitra can also interact with Mission Control Center. So it will provide updates on spacecraft's condition. And it can also perform simple tasks inside the spacecraft, like operating switches, controlling panels, similar to what astronauts would do. So by using Vyomitra, ISRO can refine its technology and processes for human space flights and ensure ISRO can ensure that the mission will, with real astronauts, go smoothly. So that is why ISRO is building is Vyomitra, a sort of humanoid robot, and ISRO will send uh, a, a spacecraft into space carrying this humanoid robot first, and then it will check whether it can sustain all the pressures and temperature of the space or not. Right. So this basically ISRO has developed this humanoid skull. So this news article says कि अभी ISRO ने एक humanoid skull model develop कर लिया है, and space mission since it involve lot of extreme conditions such as high levels of vibration, pressure changes, and other forces that can significantly impact the human body. So this humanoid skull, equipped with sensors, it will allow ISRO to stimulate these conditions and gather critical data on how they might affect the astronaut's head. So, by studying the skull's model's response to these simulated space environment, ISRO can identify potential risks and challenges that can be faced by the astronauts. So, ISRO then can design protective measures to safeguard the astronauts, the real astronauts. So, this preparation is essential for the success of India's first crewed space mission, as it will help in ensuring that the astronauts will be well protected against the challenges of space travel. All right, that is what mentioned in this article. Students, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comments below. Bye bye. Have a happy learning.